Hello everyone, my name is Shravya. So I built some projects like text to speech and image to sketch. Here, the vision is builder interactive and creative Python applications. This is the code I prepared. Now,
This is built by Shravya.
this is the output we get. Next project is image to sketch. It transform any image into a pencil sketch, like example like this. Now I'll show you the code. So this is what the code. I am showing the output. Here we go. See how the sketch was transformed to this. The real image transformed to sketch. Thank you.